Hi, I'm Rita Goldner, and since I'm a big fan of children's picture books, I'll show you how to make a cute little picture book for your holiday elf to read. To make your cute little elf book, start with a regular size piece of computer paper. Fold it lengthwise and then open it back up. Then fold it once the other way and then fold it again so you've made all your fold marks on the paper. Now open it halfway and make a cut in from the folded side to the fold mark. Now open it up again and fold it lengthwise so you can do this. Now, if you want, put little drops of glue to hold this shape. Now, looking down, you have an X shape. Finish your book by folding from any side to make a 4-page book. Now, download pictures from the internet and glue them to the pages, or you can use small family photos or holiday stickers and write your children's names inside the book to personalize it. There's kids' crafts like this and free downloads on my website, ritagoldnerbooks.com. So scotch tape this to the hands of your elf and Merry Christmas.